My name is Javier. I'm HIV negative and I've been with my husband Trevor for 15 years now. From the start, Trevor's HIV status was never an issue, but some people around us didn't believe that. Treatment is a form of prevention, and that means that we don't have to live in fear. Trevor cannot pass HIV to me through sex, and that is a fact. Earlier on in our relationship, I used to get tested quite regularly, and that proved what we already believed. Undetectable really means untransmittable. We are living proof that you can love whoever you want to love. Believe it.